Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Parsec error 6023. First, go to your search bar and type firewall. Then click on the first option. On the left side, select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. At the top right, click Change Settings, then at the bottom, click Allow another app. In the new window, click Browse, find the Parsec application file on your system, and click Add. Next, press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type in cmd/ktracert1.1.1.1 and hit enter. This will open the command prompt and start a trace route. If you notice large differences in milliseconds between hops like 1 ms on one line and 30 ms on another, that could indicate a network issue affecting Parsec. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.